Well. You must be wondering what made me talk to you like this. This is known as Malasan. It's an ancient yogic form which, practiced consistently, can give you compounding results in your overall well being. Compound interest. This was a term which was introduced to me in class 7th by my maths teacher named DJ Sir. Earlier, it was just a basic formula, you put in some values, you get out the desired results. But later on in life, I realized that all benefits in life come from compound interest, be it health, be it money, be it habits, or anything of value. They are all the outcomes of compound interest. And there's a similar reference of how cinema or movies shape up our personalities or lets us connect to the character. In 2014, I saw a movie named Tare Zameen Par. It was about the second child of Mr. Avasthi, and the character was portrayed by Mr. Darshil Safari. Darshil Safari was not a studious kid back in the day, just like many of us. Unable to focus on a point, unable to watch out the instructions of the teacher, like many of the kids do. But he has an exceptional observational skill. A skill made him stand out from the crowd. But sadly, he wasn't aware of that skill. Until one day, he got introduced to his vocational teacher in the boarding school, who was Mr. Amir Khan. Now, the beauty of teaching to such kids is that Amir Khan made him realize his true potential, and so much so that he also convinced his father that not all children are same. That child back in the day was similar to me. Even I wasn't a studious kid. I was always wandering, looking out of the window, trying to sketch something at the back of my notebook, but unable to focus on that blackboard. Somehow, I managed to pass all those threshold exams, get into a professional life, but still every single day there was a feeling of something missing inside me, the spark. Until one day, I saw a voice coaching program. I enrolled in it, I got engaged in it, and it helped me unearth my true potential of public speaking from the deep state of time, which was buried under the deep state of time. It helped me uncover that, recognize that, polish that, and here I am in front of you today. So, this is how, that's my observation, that all benefits in life come from compound interest. Thank you.